I'm so freaking excited.
Woo!
I actually feel like I am living out my childhood dreams of being on America's Next Top Model. So I have met Coco and James before. They came on my podcast. That's how I connected with them. And they are the most like loving and kind people and like such good parents. And I just really look up to them a lot as business owners and as people and as artists. And so I get here and it was so exciting to see them and to be here. And then what was so fun is that we each got to sit down with Coco and tell her about ourselves and our goals and where we're at and where we want to be and show her our current portfolio. And it was so fun. And I basically told her, I was like, this is something that I wanted to do when I was a kid and I wasn't, you know, I didn't really have the opportunities or the encouragement to the green light to do it. And honestly, by the time I got to New York, I honestly had really bad imposter syndrome and I didn't think that I was pretty enough. I didn't think that I was thin enough. I thought I was too old. And so I just never went for it. I do realize that as like a blonde white woman, me saying that I didn't think there was a space for me sounds absolutely bonkers, but it's true. I really did think that. So anyway, I feel like then we got here and I just was like, Whitney, why don't we actually take this seriously and commit to the bit? I think it would be really fun. And one day, I'm gonna walk Fashion Week. I don't know, I haven't decided yet if I wanna walk Paris or New York, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I probably shouldn't be singing here. We are meeting downstairs in cocktail attire soon. So this is an outfit that my stylist pulled for me. We're gonna go all in tonight, ladies and gents. We're gonna go all in tonight, people. All freaking in. Okay, I have to go. Oh my God, guys, stop keeping me. I have to go. Good morning, beans. Today is the first official full day of model camp and I'm so excited. Last night we did orientation and I got to meet all the girls and everyone here is so nice and passionate about what they're doing and excited to be here. And it's such a fun vibe. I had to get some work done, so I worked by the bar so that I could kind of still be meeting people, kind of be social. And everyone's so nice. I'm so excited. So we're starting out with posing and runway classes. And I'm so excited. Okay, also, I was thinking about this. Such a random tidbit, but last night we met up in our cocktail attire and I was in heels and then I just got really cold. And so after dinner, we were playing Two Truths and a Lie, getting to know all the other girls. And I was like, I gotta be comfy. So I just took a little bathroom break, came upstairs, put on my sweats, came back down, didn't think anything of it. I was just like, this is what makes me comfortable. And then the comments started. The comments of like, oh, and all of them nice, let's be clear. Like they were all just like, oh, I should be in sweatpants. And like one by one, the girls started to go put on sweatpants and we were all just vibing. And again, I realize this is just like a little micro moment, but I do think that that's very indicative of how trends start, meaning that they start when the person who's creating the trend, creating the zeitgeist, does something that they want that feels good to them. They're more tuned into what they need and what they desire and what they want than what the other people are doing. So I was telling you this yesterday. I was way too intimidated to model.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, wait,
why?
Can I do this?
Yeah, you can.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, did you hear it? Coco said I can do it.
Part of your like job now.
I know.
Is to do
I have
imagery.
I know.
I mean, like you do video, but content, but you need to have like the images to it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
Okay. Honestly, it was so fun. And yeah. I'm like, I don't know what else to say. It was amazing. We're about to start our runway. Our shoot is tomorrow, and this is my first time trying on the clothes that Morgan picked out for me for this shoot. And I tried on this outfit, and I'm just like, I don't think I need to try on anything else. It is so hot to me. So I wanted to do a Western theme, and this is giving exactly what I fucking wanted. We're only doing 2 looks, and one of them we're doing is a beauty look, meaning you're not gonna see any of the like clothes that I'm wearing. It's gonna be like shoulders up, and so you're not gonna see like the sleeves or whatever. And so we really only get one outfit to pick. And here's the thing, I did not find this. Let's be very clear. Morgan found this amazing jacket, which I feel like was maybe a look on TikTok for a bit. I don't know, I feel like I've seen it. This is the fit. We got the boots, but something we also could do to hack this to make it look like more looks. One is we could make it black and white so that the red doesn't pop as much, or just take it off. And then we've got 2 looks. I just think this, I'm like, I don't know why. I don't think I've ever worn a halter top, and I'm like, this neckline is really giving. Why don't I do this more? Good morning, Coco. You look amazing. Oh my God. Yes. We're talking all things body glitter. I need to go upstairs and put body glitter on.
Oh, you can share, yes.
I don't think I've ever looked this cool. Never. We did our photo shoot this morning. We're gonna go, and now we're doing a business and modeling class. Marina and I are gonna go film some content, and then we got more studious stuff. I felt like the shoot went really well. How'd you feel about your shoot?
Oh, it was really good.
Can I just say, I love women. We're all just out here helping each other out, making content together, having fun, cheering each other on. It's the best. Okay, big things happening here at Coco Rocha Model Camp. You heard it here first.
We will be DJing at the Brooklyn Mirage this July. Stay tuned.
And eventually they'll also be DJing at the Mirage in Vegas.
Yep. Yeah.
You heard it here first.
Coachella, Ultra, screaming your name.
Yes. Good morning, beans. I just woke up. It's 9:30. It feels so good to sleep in. Oh, my hair is so crunchy. Haven't showered yet. Clearly eyeliner is still kind of on. This was such a good experience. I had so much fun. Okay, a few realizations that I had. One, maybe I should grab a tripod. Okay, hold on. Okay, lessons from CRMC. I mean, obviously everything from Coco, all the posing, all of the all of the posing, all of the face, all of the giving, all of the, like, her energy. She's magnetic. She's such a good, like, yeah. So obviously such a huge so many takeaways from being around Coco. Also, I really do believe that photo shoots are such a powerful way to step into your next level self. It's super interesting. I had my developmental editor, Natalie Bloom, fucking fantastic. If you need one, if you need a ghostwriter, hire her. But she, as she was researching for my book, she went through all of my social media, like from the dawn of times. And she's like, the moment that you became a celebrity was when you did that photo shoot last year, which was the photo shoot that I did for rebranding my business. And she's like, that's when your energy shifted. And it's so true. I'm like, yeah, that's the first month that I made 6 figures in 1 month. That was like the month that I started to finally pick up on Instagram. And obviously, like, what I teach is that you become the celebrity, and then that's when the followers come. And that's when the audiences come and the opportunities and all of that, is that you have to, like, believe in that self. And in yourself first. You have to believe in that future version of yourself, and no one else does. And a photo shoot is such a good way to metabolize that. And that's actually why, so next month I'm hosting my second retreat in Cabo San Lucas, and this time it's with my masterminders. So I don't know how many of them are, because I think a couple of them couldn't come, but there's 16 of them, and we're retreating in Cabo, but we're also doing a photo shoot. One of my besties, Torange Kayvon, she's an incredible coach and an incredible photographer. She shot Rolling Stone, Forbes, like, she's fucking amazing. She's coming and shooting it. My stylist, Morgan, is styling them. But the reason that I wanted to do it for these women is because I'm like, once you've been doing all of the mindset work, like, I don't think photo shoots are a hack unless you've done the inner work. Meaning, the photo shoot can only catch you up to the work that you're doing and take you to the next level if you've been doing that work. It all came back to that photo shoot. And I think that this camp is such an amazing opportunity for that also, especially if you are a model and you want to be a model. My, like, biggest transformation, like, aha embodiment next level is to get back to prioritizing fun. And that feels hard and scary when I'm like I feel like my brain wants to go to, like, it doesn't feel hard and scary because I know that it's gonna work, because I'm like, oh, clearly that's my next level. But I could see my brain being like, wait, but what if we're not so serious about it? What if it stops working? This is how we pay our bills. This is how we take care of our child, right? But that's not the thing. The thing when you're selling your consciousness is that people want to feel like they're a part of it, and they're not going to feel like they're only going to have as much fun as you're having while making it. And they're only going to feel as deeply as you feel making it. So we're raising the bar.